Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Never in My Wildest Dreams on guitar. Start by mastering the fundamental chords, G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These four chords form the backbone of the song. Focus on clean fretboard pressure and clear notes. Then, practice a basic strumming pattern, perhaps a down, down, up, up, to get a feel for the rhythm. Aim for smooth, seamless transitions between each chord change. For the verse, the chord progression is G, D, E minor, and C. Each chord is typically played for one full measure, allowing the melody to shine. Pay close attention to maintaining a steady tempo, which is crucial for the song's feel. Practice this sequence repeatedly until it feels natural and your fingers move effortlessly between the shapes. The chorus brings a slightly different feel with a C, G, D, and E minor progression. This section is where the song's main hook resides, so play it with conviction. If there's a bridge, it might introduce a minor chord, adding a new harmonic color. Remember to articulate each chord clearly, letting the emotion of the music come through in your playing. To truly master this song, consistent practice is key. Use a metronome to refine your timing and ensure a steady rhythm. Don't be afraid to experiment with dynamics. Playing some parts softer and others louder adds depth. Finally, listen closely to the original recording to capture the nuances of phrasing and the overall feel. Enjoy the process of learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.